What's up, everybody, and welcome to the stream. I am here with Michael again, and it is your host, Fredbear, and today we are playing a game called Gunfight Arena. We are in a private server, and today we're going to be seeing who is better. So, on the count of 3, we got 5 seconds to run around, then we'll start fighting, okay?
Okay.
Alright, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's start fighting. Alright, bro, you ready to get...
I don't know where you can pop out of in this field. Where are you, buddy? I don't know where you're gonna pop out of, but I just wanna kill you. It's you.
Dang it. Okay, I see how it is. Alright, bro, bet. Bro, when did you start learning how to pop up out of nowhere, bro? Kill yourself. Oh. I said kill yourself. Nah, bro. Oh boy. There, I see you.
I wish I see you. Who are you? Oh.
Bro, I do not have aim.
I don't know what that was, but yeah.
Let's go. Let me switch guns.
Why?
Because I prefer my 3-hit pistol.
Wait, you pistol 3 hits?
Whee!
What, did you die?
Nope. Just saying we.
Woo! Get back here.
Nah, bro.
Whoa.
Nah, bro.
You better get back here, or bad things are gonna happen to you.
Nah, bro.
I see you.
Dang it. You with these weapons. You with these weapons, bro. You with these weapons. No.
I told you something was gonna happen to you if you don't. I don't know what I. Well, I don't even see that.
Gotcha.
Oh, you was literally one shot. You was literally one shot.
Nah, these bullets just fly fast.
Kill yourself.
Hey, we don't say that on this channel. We're a family-friendly channel. Yeah, but that was an accident. That was an accident. Hey, that was an accident. This is a family-friendly channel. Dun 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 dun. Well, never mind, bro. I'm about to make this an unfamily-friendly channel by how bad I'm gonna do you with this weapon. Come here, buddy.
Fuck bad.
Nah, bro, come here.
You shouldn't have guns. That's not.
Man, it's family-friendly, but we play with guns. Okay, nah, that came out wrong. It's family-friendly, but we play games like, you know, games. That's family-friendly, right? Well, I have my radar on. What's good? Yeah, no, it's 6-6. It's 6-6. Dang it. I was too low. Let's pull out the Whopper, Junior Whopper.
What? Whoa. Who are you, buddy?
Nowhere. Whoa! Okay, that's... Okay, bro. Okay. I see how this is. Get lit up. Get lit, bro. Get lit. Nah, bro.
I wanna see if you get credits if I so that would be 12 power.
Yeah, if we do get credits, that would be kinda good.
And 12 power. You literally built an old account. You could bring a cow and put that on the private social and just keep on killing it and you get a bunch of kills.
Nah, bro, that would be, you know, abusing the powers of credits. Wait, where are you?
At your mom's house.
Boy, if I find you, I'm gonna tear you to shreds.
Who are you?
Whoa! I didn't know you saw me. Hold up.
Were you trying to get a perfect game on me?
Nah, bro, I was just trying to figure out where you were.
how did you get up there so fast?
Cause I'm on my side of the base.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Dang it, boy. Come here. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I gotta get my get back for that.
I have my gun.
Bro, no.
That one corner.
Nah, bro. Bro, what gun do you have?
A good gun.
I might need to pull out the I might need to pull out the one and only. I'm gonna throw a grenade. That. Grab that.
Whoa.
Decals. Alright, bet. That looks fresh. Yeah, this one takes longer to kill you with, but it's better. Mother.
Know that. Where are you? I see you. I don't know where I see you. Where did you come from, bro? What the fuck
behind
is
you.
muffin? I see you now.
Bro, I ran out of bullets at that moment. Oh my god.
If you didn't run out of bullets, I would have been dead. That's a good thing.
No, my god. You are going crazy without going crazy.
You do get credits. I literally just got credits. So.
What? Okay. That's pretty sick. Oh, you're at 1 HP. Nah, bro. Come back here. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. This ain't how we. Bro, what gun do you have? Okay, this is really getting unfair. This is really good. Nah, bro. Cause it, yes, bro. Cause it only takes a few hits for you to kill me now. Like what?
Wait, why did I use that? Why did I use my force shield?
Boy, I see you up there.
I tried to get into my force shield.
Woo!
I'm so dead.
Nah, bro.
I see you.
Oh my god, I'm running. Oh my god. No, bro, I'm going. I'm good. Dang it. Nah, bro.
Get away from me, Amanda. What are you? Oh, I have my rocket launcher.
Okay. Woo! Around like that. Boom. Bro, what gun is that? Bro, what gun do you have?
I don't even know the name of it.
It's an EM, but I don't know what that is. Oh, I found the EM, bro. How is the EM better than the... Okay, let's try this. Like, a common AR, bro. A common AR. This will do us wonders, don't worry. We finna get you now, Michael. We finna get you now. Come on. With the power of chat, we can take him down. I just realized that.
I was actually base the whole time, bro.
Dang it, I was planning that Seek. Oh my god.
I see you. Hello.
Oh my god.
Why are you saying oh my god?
Because I'm mad.
Why?
Nah, bro, we ain't gonna spend Robux. I'm gonna obliterate you. with no Robux. Nah, bro, we ain't using Robux. Bro, this EM, don't make me buy it. Don't make me buy it. Because you're absolutely dominating.
This is a Robux you're saying.
I know.
Oh, I thought you were saying IVA spending any.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna kill you without spending any of my Robux. Well, I'm coming back over there. Don't worry. Don't worry about me.
Yeah, everybody got right there. Oh, my force field is looking right there, isn't it? Isn't my force field right there?
Yep.
Let me see. Oh, my force field, you made me. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, man, you don't get any credits or anything like that. From winning.
But that was fun. That round was fun.
When I killed you one time, it gave me credits.
I'm gonna do hang fire. Actually, I'm gonna do the moon.
Come on, let's go. I'm gonna kill you. I'm blue because you're red, so I'm blue.
Alright, let's go. Bro, you are already camping my base, huh? Bro, no, we are not doing this. No.
Who are you?
Nah, bro, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about what gun I have.
How do you know where I was, bro?
Bro, cause I ran up there. That's usually the spot I go. Bro, come back here. Come back here. Bro, I swear, if you're on that roof again.
I ain't, but I'll give you a clue. I'm close to that roof.
I'm jumping back through my window, bro. Ooh, once I go in, once I come. Got him. Got him. Got him again.
To my base so fast.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna get him. I'll get back. Bro, I ran out of bullets in that moment.
That's sad.
Okay, bro.
I'll tell you a clue. I'm still where I killed you. I don't know where you're gonna come out. I'm ready to kill you.
Hehehehe.
Were you there? Or did you when I was? Oh, you can count to the whole game. Yeah, you got it off. Now everybody's gets again. And now maybe I can.
Yep. Yes, sir. I'm not letting you move. Got him again.
You like you? How much health are you all, anyways?
I don't know, but I'm like a hawk. Bro, you are better at close range. I'm not good with that stuff. Whew. Bro, you were not that. You were almost to death.
Why is that every time I kill you, so my screen just go launching in the air?
Oh, well, that's the good thing, so you can see me get yeeted out of existence.
I knew you were gonna come from there.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, how do you keep getting up there, anyways?
You don't need to know that.
I know how you get up there.
Just watch the stream and you'll figure it out.
It doesn't let me watch your stream for some reason.
Don't worry, I'll send you the link later.
I know, every time it does that, it still doesn't let me see it.
Hold up. My spider senses are tingling. Where you at, boy?
No, we already need to know.
Somewhere, obviously.
Yeah, but there's no way you need to know. Hey, you did this to me, so now I have to do this to you. Okay, I'll stop now.
Nah, bro, nah. Nah, bro.
Hey, 115. What?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. We don't do our friends.
But I pressed.
Nah, bro, that's your fault. We don't do our friends.
Coming for you. And you'll never find me. You'll never find me.
Oh my god, I'm just getting absolute revenge.
How much people are on the live anyways?
I don't know yet. What?
Where'd you go?
Don't come around. Well, where did you go?
At your mom's house.
Boy, if I find you, I'm getting rid of you and wiping you from existence. I'm like destroying your data cards. Alright, since I don't know where you are, I'm just gonna keep running.
In what direction? Oh. I see you. You see me?
No, I don't see you, buddy.
Well, cause I don't know. Searching with muffin damage.
Who said I was Dang it!
Yes, that's what happened. Yeah.
Be quiet.
Shut up. I ain't so close to you.
You're only 6 more kills ahead of me. I mean 3. You're only 3 kills ahead.
Yeah, I was trying to say 12.
And I shot you in your
I still
leg.
have more kills than you.
I shot you in your leg. Bro, quit using that EM before I pull out the shotguns. Specifically that double barrel. Oh boy, if you keep walking into my fortress, Nah, bro, let me switch to the shotgun, bro. Run the ones. Run the ones. Hoist them knuckles and climb them fists, cause you about to get.
You know what? I have a better shotgun than that if you want to play that. Or do I have a better shotgun? Well, this shotgun sucks, but...
Got him.
Yeah, this gun sucks so
Got him.
bad. Oh, I was supposed to... What is this? Be ready for a loud because I'm making my ears making tea. And I hate when that happens because it's so loud. Where are you? I just don't need to hide. Oh, man.
Like I said, wait for me to pull out the shotgun and I'm gonna make you regret it.
Is that even a shotgun? I have a pistol on you.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro.
Put like a pistol on you. Where the heck are you?
I'm using my pistol too. What's good with you, bro? I'm using. How about we both use our pistols? What's good, bro? No. Are you serious?
You're not just throwing a pistol.
Get down.
Hey, you could use a pistol.
Nah, bro. You made me mad. Alright, bro. You're using the starter pistol. I'm using whole scope pistol.
I'm just good, that's right.
Headshots. Headshots. And all of them were 25. Bet, bro. You want to pull out the AR? Wait till I get close, bro. Wait till I get close.
It makes me mad. I'm out of my force field. What you gonna do?
Bro, nah, bro. At the end of this stream, I'm rolling all the kill clips. All the kill clips that me and you were doing, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. I threw a grenade by accident and it hit you. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, you do not. You're just mad. And stay mad. Bazooka. Bazooka. Bro, that was so funny.
Yeah, I got my launcher ready.
I'm done with this game. I'm done with this game. What is with my shots, bro? Nah, bro. You gotta get your punishment, bro.
For what?
For nothing. How am I a scary? Thank you.
I just shot you. I need to be
Oh my god. Oh my god. What was that game?
What shotgun did you use?
I don't even know. I just bought a random shotgun and that thing does 16, 16, 16.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a shotgun and go use that.
Let's do the bazaar map, bro. Oh, I guess we're doing this map. And for my secondary weapon, I really want to upgrade my pistol. But nah, we ain't gonna upgrade our pistol. And y'all, I have to go live tomorrow because I do not have school tomorrow. I don't have school tomorrow because of the weather, and I also want to hang out with. I want to hang out with the viewers, bro. And this live is gonna be early. It's gonna be like at 5. So like, let's go.
You lucky. I think I have.
Woo! You only shot me once, bro. I wasn't even damaged that bad.
Dude, how much health you do? How much did I damage you?
I don't know. I couldn't see how much you hit me for. Shot him in the legs.
This is 500 credits and it's a 2-shot.
Mine is a 5-shotter.
Oh, I have one.
Just because you dodge one bullet doesn't mean you're dodging the rest. No, bro, let me up here. Where are you?
At your mom's house.
Now you see why I be killing. Okay, that tea kettle's going crazy again. Bro, it's impossible to focus.
That's the point.
Nah, bro, come back here. Come back here.
Why can't I reload my gun? But okay. I'm one as fast as right. Yo. Shut up, TK.
Dang, bro. Okay, you kinda getting. Imagine trying to tell a tea kettle to shut up.
Yeah. See, I told you. If you say shut up to it, it'll stop.
Okay.
Well, eventually, it'll take a little while to shut up, but yeah.
Boy, where are you? Why do you?
He's gonna be right behind you.
Bro, I went past you again.
Like 5 million times today. God. I'm gonna hit you with ammo and try shooting you.
Bro, I accidentally be throwing my grenades around, but they be doing the most sickest things ever, bro. Like, okay, after this stream, I'm gonna go ahead and make a montage video. I mean, not a montage, but like a video showing y'all the clips of what in like slow motion and all these cool effects of us just absolutely destroying you. Okay, bro.
Well, this is a 500 credit and a 2-shot.
Let's go. Mine can one-shot if I'm careful enough.
I think I might have a good game to play.
For next stream?
Time. Yeah, for next stream.
Or better.
But if I have school, you're gonna be lucky you have no school. If I have no school,
it's probably already negative out there. Bro. Exactly.
I forgot I was close.
That was a whole that was a whole Zora moment, bro. I shot you in your chest, bro, and you did not go down. I shot you in your chest, and you did not go down.
This is invincible.
I shot you with a pistol, and you went down. That's crazy.
Well, that's because this is the physics of games. This is not real life.
Nah, bro, the physics of games should match the physics of real life because.
Yeah.
Come here, come. Nah, bro, just die.
Oh, and I'll give you a hit of the game.
Well, you can't climb up here though. Nah, bro, let me rain a fight on you, buddy.
I'm gonna get my pistol on you. Where you at? My pistol wants to kill you.
Go to them 2 stairs. I'm hiding under there. Dang it. Okay, bet, bro. Pistols only. And if I bring out my other gun, I'ma trade. I'll have to trade you something to sleep. God, bro. Oh my God.
I think I'm just good with pistols. Whoa, I heard them exploding sound.
Behind and dead.
What was that, OJ?
Oh, that was me with my grenade. That was me with my grenade.
Whoa, buddy.
Oh, I'm moving. Whoa! Hey, yo, bro, don't let me find you. I'm just telling you that.
What do you have to do, regular gun out? That's different gun, you have to pay me.
Nah, bro. I'm still allowed to use my abilities, I mean my equipment. Oh, and he's dead again. He's dead again. Bro, what was that? Alright, bro. Oh, I almost shot him with the wrong gun.
What, you in big trouble?
Oh my god, I almost shot him with the wrong gun. Dead.
What is that pistol? That is not a pistol.
Yes, this is a pistol.
I need that pistol, bro. I need that pistol.
Nah, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Bro, how sweats be? Bro, you bought a new gun. You bought a new gun. I heard the new gun sound. Bro, what is that? Never mind, never mind. Nope, nope. We don't need no more pistols. We don't need pistols anymore. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. No more pistols. No more pistols. No, when I heard that sound, I got terrified. No, no. Stay back. Stay back. You do not want to get 360 no scope like last time.
Never mind. I shouldn't have shot that gun.
Bro, what is that? It's still not better than my pistol. An M1? Bro, I got killed by an M1 versus my pistol. Come back here, boy.
Get away from me.
Bro, come meet me in the center. Come meet. Boy. Boy. No!
I don't know.
This is such I don't know, bro. Ooh. Bro, okay. And I can't even buy any other guns because they're all poo-poo water, bro. And by the way, the gun I got is a G40X. Now, where are you, boy?
At your mom's house.
Boy, if you keep saying these... Oh my god. Again, what is with my grenade kills? Bro, why at the moment? Why my notifications starting to go off? Y'all, if I start zooming my camera in, don't worry about it. It's just people texting me. I forget to put my people on silent. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boy, come back here. No, bro. What was that? What was that?
Who are you?
At your mom's house.
Oh, man, you want to see that? That's my line. That's my line. Get back here.
Nope.
Well, who are you?
It won't even matter anyway. What are you gonna do with that information, sir?
Come kill you, expert.
Bro, nah, bro.
That's my line. That is my line.
Bro, I am tired of people. Bro, guys, from now on, before I stream, I'm silencing everybody, bro.
I saw you in the corner of my eyes.
Don't let me find you again.
I was looking about you.
Bro,
Let me unalive you.
bro, let me unalive you is crazy.
Hey, you shouldn't be family friendly, you know, you should be safe. So, yeah.
Bro, alright, we're family friendly and a little bit unfamily friendly, okay? Bro, we're not them type. Okay, bro, now that was a good match. Now, I don't know how long I've been recording, or I could say streaming, but it really doesn't matter. But I think we should end it off here, Michael. What do you say, or do you want to, like, settle it?
So, we can end it off right now.
Alright, guys, the next time we play this game in a video or a live stream, we're gonna be bringing more people with us. And I hope y'all enjoyed. And as I'm straightening my arm, I have to go trade Michael and flee now because I accidentally used a whole different gun, and that kinda counts. But anyways, see you all in the next stream, which is probably tomorrow. But I'll hit y'all up with a video tonight. Probably gonna be around 1 a.m. 1 a.m. maybe 2 a.m. Just keep around, just keep around that time. And I'll see you all later. I love y'all. Remember, let the Fredbear people join your crew. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where's the Fredbear Pirates going, bro? We going to Wando again, because we have to fight Kaido again. And then we're going to go fight Naruto, because he's obviously mid. Well, he's not mid. Well, I don't want to get into a fight with the anime people in the comment section. Anyways, see you all in the next stream. Bye. Now, I'm going to let y'all all have time to leave, so I'm going to be shooting Michael in the meantime. Come on, boy. Another clip. I died to nothing.
Well, that was unique, 'cause I don't even know how to... Oh, I figured out how to throw a bomb. Yay.
Grenade, bro. Ain't no way you just said bomb, bro. Nah, bro.
It's a bomb.
Okay, that'd be kind of.
I killed myself with the bomb grenade.
Bro, he came out of the sky. He came out of the sky. He came out of the sky.
But I killed myself with a little grenade.
Oh my god. I just randomly decided to throw that bomb. Okay, now you got me calling it bomb. Right? Oh my god, bro.
Go up this. Go up this. A 360 no scope. If I see you, I'm gonna do a 360. While you are Jay, I'm gonna do a 360 no scope on you. Back. 360. Oh.
Dead. Now that's added to the clips. Alright, see y'all. I'm actually end it here. No more time for y'all to leave. And stay dead. Yeehaw!